Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 9, C is 31, D is 64. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number or exponent, or you can say order of operation. So you have to solve that one in your expression. And after the step number two, you have to solve the division and multiplication. Actually, both has similar precedence. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. So that if division is coming first, you can solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Either you are using the BODMAS and PAMDAS, root is same for both. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the bracket first. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. So we can skip this step in this expression. Now we have to see the exponent or order of the expression. So, but we do not have any number which has the power. So you can skip that one as well. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have 9 divided by 3. So we will solve this one. 8 plus 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Multiply by 5, multiply by 2, and minus 7 we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Now we have solved this term. Now we have to go again left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 8 plus 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. We will write 15 multiplied by 2 as it is minus 7. We will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. Now we have again, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out again multiplication and division. So now we have again multiplication. We have solved this one. Now we have this one. So we have to solve this part, which is 15 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 30. And minus 7, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 15 multiplied by 2 equals to 30. Now we have solved this term. Now we have to solve the addition and subtraction because we have solved the division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in this expression and find out addition and subtraction. So now we have the addition for 8 plus 30 equals to 38 and minus 7 we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 8 plus 30 equals to 38. Now we have solved these two terms and we have here two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 31. So the answer of the given expression is 31. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So this is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.